Wow, you got how many presents from Santa? 5 or 6?
Ariel, Belle.
Oh my God, Ariel, Belle. Who, what?
There's a piece.
There's a piece.
100 pieces of it.
Okay, let's see.
Rip
it hard.
Shelby, I'm sorry, honey. Shelby, out of here.
Oh, that is cool.
You got me a lot.
He knows you like Ariel and the other princesses.
I don't like all of the princesses, but I like most of them.
Neato. Let's see.
A piece.
Okay. Turn it around. Let's see the other side. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's a 3D puzzle.
Oh, cool. All right.
Oh, several 3D puzzles. There's 6 puzzles in there. Wow. Look, you've got Daffy, and you've got 2 of the little Tinkerbell things, and 3 of the princesses. Very nice. Cheese.